perform what? He is going to check pulse, he is going to check breathing, and now he is going to perform what?
CPR.
CPR. This is known as CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay. So first thing, see here all students. Basic life support is to help out the patient outside the hospital. Got it? Raj is outside the hospital, in the mall, in the railway station, at the airport. Suddenly patient collapsed. Now Raj is, because he is a first year O State University student, so he will give him first aid. He will going to help, he will going to check the pulse, he is going to check breathing. No pulse, no breathing, he will perform what? CPR. This is known as CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So he will perform chest compressions and breathing to the patient. How many chest compressions? Write down everyone. Chest compressions will be 30 and breathing will be what? 2. So ratio is what? 30 is to 2. Okay? 30 is to 2. So Raj check his pulse, Raj check his breathing. No pulse, no breathing. Now Raj will start cardiopulmonary resuscitation and Raj will perform 30 chest compressions to revive the circulation. To revive what? Circulation. And after 30, when he completes 30 compressions, now he is going to give what? 2 rescue breath to the patient. Because he knows that in BLS the protocol is what? CAB. Protocol is what? CAB. First priority is circulation, second, third, very good. Now see here, BLS I am telling to you, it is the help to the patient outside the hospital. But if for example I am working in a hospital, along me Raj is working, along me Shiva is working, Ahmed is working, Pranjali is working. Now we 5-6 doctors are working in the hospital. Now a patient collapses. Now when patient collapses, what will happen? I will immediately reach to the side of the patient and now I will check his breathing and pulse. No breathing, no pulse. I will start what? CPR. But I am the senior doctor. So what I will do? I will stand at the bed end of the patient and then I will ask my junior doctors. Raj, you will perform chest compression. Ahmed, you are going to perform 2 rescue breath. Pranjali, you are going to secure the IV line. You are going to attach the cardiac monitors. You are going to give drugs to the patient. Okay? So this is known as what? When you are giving the help to the patient in the